Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Jada Renee, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful whipped shimmer body butter. You're going to need shea butter, coconut oil, apricot oil, arrowroot powder, preservative, a scale, a bowl to mix in, and a mixer of course, a spatula, a piping bag, piping tip, and that can be your choice, and the mica pigment. So first, we're going to add in our shea butter and our coconut oil. And then we're going to place this on top of our double boiler and let it melt down until it's completely melted into what we like to call liquid gold. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there. Show you something, give me more than words. We've had this place on earth. Once we have it completely melted, we're going to put it in the freezer and we're going to let it freeze for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the consistency that we want our body butter to look like once we take it out the freezer. So now all we're going to do is mix it with our spatula, get some of the hard body butter off the walls, so that way we can mix it with our stand mixer. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it best. As you can see, I've took it out the freezer and it is a bit hard. So this is okay. All we're going to do is mix it with our stand mixer, and then we're going to go in and finish adding the rest of our ingredients.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate.
If you're using a digital scale, you want to place the scale down, and then you're going to sit your bowl on top of the scale and let it weigh out the bowl, and then tear it so that way it's at 0. Then you're going to start adding in your apricot oil or whatever of the oil that you decided to add, your preservative, and your arrowroot.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
So now that we've mixed our body butter and it is soft and fluffy like this, now what we're going to do is add in our mica or our pigment. And because it is a shimmer body butter, we want to make sure that our pigment that we are using is very, very vibrant, because we want our customers to be shining and glistening when the sun hits them because of our product. So now we're just going to make the jar very cute. We're going to add some of our mica pigment around the jar to give it kind of a little luster looking look, a shimmer look. And then we're going to pipe our product into the jar and it's ready to sell. Can I tell you something for what it's worth?